Hi and welcome to this Blueberry Markets video update with me, John Kibler, head currency analyst. In this video we're going to take a look at a couple of markets of interest this week and talk about what happened with the Fed interest rate decision. Obviously rates were held, but it was the language that the Fed set out for the year ahead essentially that drove the dollar lower. So Jerome Powell was stated saying that the inflation is nowhere near high enough to even consider hiking rates. So that is pretty dovish from the Fed chairman, which is why we saw the dollar drive lower, which has benefited our gold trade. Gold is now in profit and pushing a little bit higher. So I want to try and see that follow through today on this, or maybe we'll get a little bit of a pullback before we see a continuation move. So hopefully we see that. The hourly is still looking pretty bullish, as well as the 4 hour. So we may see a slight pullback into those recent breakout highs around our entry around 1470 before seeing a continuation. So hopefully we can get that this afternoon. Trade of the day posted last night was Aussie Kiwi long opportunity, so I'll just break that down. On the weekly time frame, you can see that the market's coming to this key supporting level. So if I just go to a monthly, you can see that area is quite clear where the market is rejecting from. So what we're looking for is the market to bounce from this position. Now, the strength and weakness table suggested that the Australian dollar was the biggest gainer across the currencies last week. So we're looking for that to really continue now. And the market formed this lovely bullish engulfing candle, which is a good signal that buyers are coming in at this level. So entered above the high, stops below the lows, looking for this market to continue up. Just put a 2-to-1 target on the trade. If we look at the weekly time frame, we could get a rally up into these previous weekly breakout lows. So if I just highlight that on the chart, you can see here, let's just turn that into a resistance line. You can see here there's a double top formed on the weekly time frame. We've broken through, so we could be looking for the price to come and retest up at this level just in here. So we'll look to add positions in on this. Just gone with the small position for now. Let's see if we can get some added positions. The 4 hour needs to make a good cycle before looking for those positions. Hourly is looking good as well, so hopefully this market can drive higher. We may see a daily double bottom here before seeing a move up, so also have a check out for that as well. But looking good for some long opportunities here on Aussie Kiwi. Okay, so thanks for listening to this short update. If you did like it, please like and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more, and I'll speak to you soon.